Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. In this video, I am going to discuss about that the scanner which we have created recently about that shooting star and hammer on the first 15 minutes chart. So intraday trade finder buy as well as sell that scanner, how it works on today's market. That I am going to discuss on real time, how it is generated, and everyone who are watching that scanner, you know the stock which is present at the first 15 minutes that will not never repainted. So you already know. So only one stock which we got on a buy side, intraday trade finder buy. So Arrow Pharma. So let me try it out in Arrow Pharma. What happened in Arrow Pharma today? It is giving for a buy opportunity, right? Arrow Pharma, which is given for a buy opportunity. Let me add that in this list. So this is what the first 15 minutes where that exactly what we are expecting the level. That is what a hammer, right? That is exactly forming at the first candle. So that we are focusing for a trade opportunity. So here, what kind of risk involved on the trade? So how much risk is the trade for that particular intraday trade? Around the 633 is what entry point, and the stop loss for the trade is 625. So almost 8 rupees is the risk for the trade. If you are trying to take this particular trade, if you are doing a futures, you are going to take a 8 rupees risk. Whatever, even equity, that is a 8 rupees risk. But in a equity, so we can fix our quantity, how much quantity we want. So that much quantity we can fix it out. And futures, it is a fixed lot size and also high risk, and the 8 rupees is nearby. I think the lot size of this Arrow Pharma is around 900 rupees. Let's try it. Arrow Pharma, what is the lot size? It is around 750. So if you are going to take a risk of 8 rupees into 750, that is comes under 6,000 risk. If you are ready to take that particular 6,000 risk, so you may be trying to place the orders in futures. Or if you want to buy an option of 620, even it may be this kind of movement, you will be getting some small profit. The idea where we are creating the scanners and screeners, we can try to make small profit and in the right time and the right way. So that is why we are creating such a kind of scanner. So it was triggers, and within a 1 hour, around 10:15, maybe we got an entry by 9:30 candle. At 10:15 it reaches the maximum of 644.95. So almost you got somewhere around 33 to 45, almost 12 rupees is generative. So somewhere 8 rupees you are taken a risk. So here it's generative 1.5 times return of you compared to your risk. So almost 12 rupees profit compared to your risk 8 rupees. So, and another thing you should compare, today's market is positive. So why we cannot go for a buying kind of trade? The market opening by somewhere around 100 plus point in the opening itself. So we can focus buy opportunity, even sell opportunity also present. We can try it out. What about? So if I took options for this trade, what I'm going to focus for a 900 and 620 call option, Arrow Pharma. If I'm going to take a trade in options, 620 call should be the best one. Where around 9:30 it was trading around 33, 34 rupees. From 34 it went up to 41, nearby 40.95, and sometimes later it is 41.5, it moves. So 7 rupees profit in options. So where I invested 34 into 750 with the investment of 25,000, which I got a 7 rupees profit or a 6 rupees profit. 7 into 750, so we got a 5,000 rupees, or a 25,000 investment. There is a chances of making a 5,000 rupees, but if I invested 25,000, even I made a profit of a 10% or 20%, that is good enough for intraday trade. Such opportunity we are going to find out using the scanners and screeners. That is the main concept. So only one stock today, and if you see that on the till end of the day, we have only one stock here for a buying opportunity. Any point of the time, if you check it, it will show the same stock, Arrow Pharma only. But that first candle only we are focusing. That first time, that is 9:15 to 9:30 candle, we are focusing. And some other trades which we are given almost 6 stocks which got it for a selling opportunity. First one is HDFC Bank. So let me try HDFC Bank. The first stock which is focusing for a HDFC Bank. Right? This is what a candle where it is exactly predicted and find that. So it triggers your sell entry. This particular candle around 9:30, 10 o'clock, it triggers you the entry, and finally it reaches your stop loss. This what triggers your stop loss, how much point you are going to lose in this particular transaction, somewhere around, so 69 to 80, almost 70, it's 12 points you are losing in this particular trade in HDFC. And what other trade? Ashok Leyland and Sun TV. Ashok Leyland, that is what first trade, first candle, but it may be a ignorable trade because it never gives you sell entry, but after that long term back it gives you sell entry and returned back, but it never trigger your stop loss, so nearby ending with your cost price. But this trade is invalid because this triggers your that high point, so initially without giving you entry. And then Sun TV, Lara's Lab, let's check it out. Sun TV, this is also triggers your stop loss. Maybe this was a stop loss trade initially. If you are watching that, you may be getting whether it is first triggers your entry or not. So the risk of the trade is 499 and low for the trade is 95. So 4 rupees risk got triggered in this particular. And then we are going to take Lara's Lab and Dixon. So this one, this is triggers your stop loss. It is a perfect stop loss. Let's see what is the exact stop loss. 512 to 504, almost 8 rupees. It triggers your stop loss. And then Dixon and About India. This one is not good for intraday About India. So even we'll check it out. This is not an exact candle, so we may ignore. And Dixon. So the first one, we generate the sell entry somewhere around 4,282, 4,444, almost to nearby 180 point. So it coming down to 4,189 from the selling point of 4266. Somewhere 100 points is down, and then it returned back and it triggers your stop loss. And let it compare. So if you are today's buying trade gives you good, and compare this, we are using a 1 factor for a buying trade, but it was 2 factor for a selling trade, but I was not changed. That's why this much of stock. If I change this as a 1 factor, let me try it at how many stocks. We have only 3. From this 3 maybe triggers your stop loss. But let compare. This is the scanner which help you to find out stocks, and you can compare with what is going on the market. So today market is overall bullish. So in this overall bullish market is keep on going up. So this time if you're going to take a short in stock, they may not get a good profit. So you need to compare with that also. The scanners will find out such a good opportunity. So we will compare with the overall market sentiment. So we will whether going to take a selling opportunity or going to take a buying opportunity, that you should decide. But even so, if I change that 1 factor, it will reduce the number of stocks. Instead of 7 stocks, we have a 3: Lara's Lab, Dixon, and About India. So About India we maybe ignore, and Dixon it generally initially gives 100 point, and Lara's Lab it was a stop loss. If I get a 4 stocks for intraday trade, so one got a target and one got a stop loss, one I ignored, another one gives you profit, and finally exit the stop loss. So almost 50-60% accuracy there. So we need to compare with the overall market trend. So whether today I am going to take a buying opportunity or today I am going to take a selling opportunity, that I am going to decide, because of you are going to take your own risk. So you need to plan for your trade, so that you should compare, and other parameters also you can focus. But this help you to find out such a great opportunity stocks. So that's about this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends if you liked it. And if you have any questions, just comment in the comment box. And thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.